If you're using Metafields on your orders and you want to include them in an email notification, I believe it's not currently possible with the standard liquid variables. So for example, your order confirmation email. And that's why I built out this workflow. So here's an example order with some Metafields on it, a couple different types here, text type, currency type, and a file type. And so the way that it works, it's just going to grab a list of those Metafields under the order, and then it's going to parse those out so that you can access them in your email template here. Now, this is just a plain text email, but we could also use this if you're using, let's say, Klaviyo or a third-party email tool. We could pass those in as well so that you could access them from there. And then you just access them like this. So Metafields, custom. Now, note that we're using a dash instead of a dot. Typically, the standard naming scheme for namespace and key on these Metafields is namespace dot key, but we have a little bug there that we're working around. So it's just there's a dash in there, and you can see these by if you run a test. The way to see these exact values so you don't have to guess is just go in here and click variables available, and then under Metafields you'll see the exact deal here. And notice that in the case of a currency meta field, there's actually fields underneath it, so those can be referenced individually. Single text is just a simple text here, and then a file is a reference to another media image object. So if you needed to pull, let's say, the URL to the file out, we'd need a little extra work on that. So just let us know if you need any help with that. But yeah, you can pop those into the email and then they'll just populate in there. So that is how that works. And as always, you can find these on the automation demos section of the site. So you can click here and you can download that workflow. If you need any help setting that up, just let us know.